Hey everybody, Norm from Tested here at Maker Faire 2016, and seems like the right place to find a Rubik's Cube solving robot. Here at the Altera booth, this is Herman. How you doing, Herman?
Hey, good to see you, Norm.
So I want to learn about how this works and how it uses some of your technology. First of all, for people who may not know, what is Altera and what do you guys make?
Okay, so Altera makes FPGAs, which stand for Field Programmable Gate Arrays. It's basically a huge platform of unprogrammed silicon, right? Unprogrammed digital logic, which you can configure out of the box to do whatever you want. So, in past years we brought little breadboards, people are familiar with them, and we said basically within one of these chips, we've got like 10 square yards worth of breadboard area, which you could mess around with, and you can instantiate and configure anything you want.
Much lower level than what some people might be used to when they're working with libraries and APIs, and you can optimize for a lot to do really complex things like build high-speed cameras or all sorts of computing tasks.
That's right. This system's trying to illustrate, I think, sort of the diversity of things that you can do with an FPGA. It's doing image processing. It's doing some deep computation to actually try and solve the Rubik's Cube algorithmically, and then it's doing the motor control to actually, turn the cube and get it to the solution.
Well, you guys don't just make the boards, you also use it and implement it in fun ways in your spare time on projects like this. So can you run me through exactly what's going on here and how this whole setup is assembled?
Yeah, so the setup is based on, 8 total servos. Basically 4 is set up as linear actuators so that it can close on and remove the different actuators, and then just two pairs to do rotations. I think the lighting LED on the bottom is to try and, regardless of what lighting is present, create the same lighting so we can detect the colors from the video camera. And all of that gets uploaded into the Cyclone 5 SoC chip. You actually have to go through the step of confirming what the colors are. So there's a little bit of manual intervention here. It's not perfectly bug-free. And then when you hit the button, when it's made the solution, you can watch it actuate and actually turn the Rubik's Cube into a solved version.
Which is a beautiful thing to watch unfold.
Yeah, and dramatically it's nice because it pulls back after it's finished and it just drops it down. It's like Rubik's Cube out.